Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I'll be doing unboxing comparison of Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra and iPhone 12 Pro Max. I'll be comparing what you spend to buy. The price pretty much same, about $1,300. This one is for $1,200 plus tax. So the price point is pretty much same. Now see what you get in the price. Same kind of batteries and with S Pen. With this one, you don't have any S Pen. Without further ado, let's get started. As you can see from the beginning, Samsung Note 20 Ultra box is 3 times thick. But let's see what you get in the box. Let's open this. Here you go. Open it. It's fairly easy. They make it. This one you do have a seal right here. As you can see, there's a seal right here. When you cut, here you go. And let's open this one. So front facing, this is rear facing. Take this thing out. Now I'm gonna see what you get for the money first. Put the phone on the side for just now, just right here, not far away. Now with the iPhone, you do get a SIM ejecting tool and you get a iPhone sticker. You do get this lightning tool. Now keep in mind, you do not get charging brick with the iPhone. You do not get it. Note 20 box. So first thing you see is right here, you do get not the fast, super fast charging. This is nothing here, and you do get to USB-C cable. You do get it. You used to get it earphones, but now it looks like they cut it down completely and they stopped giving us earphones. I'm okay without it. And so now let's put this on the side. So here you go. This is the device we have right here. As you can see, they're pretty shiny. This is the back, nice and shiny. Right. Wide, one is ultra wide and one is telephoto lens. And there's a LiDAR sensor right also. One is telephoto lens. Right here is your ultra wide and this is your normal camera. And it says manufactured in Vietnam. Here you see the nice display and there's a film on the back. You can take it out also. There's no more film anywhere. Now let me put this packaging on the side. Same thing with the iPhone. Looks like this. It has a nice, here you go. If you compare the size, not by much margin, very pointed. This one is very curved and there's a notch, big notch on the top. So if you're really looking for phone and you want to know what you get, so definitely you get more with the Note 20. Because you don't get as much as with iPhone. So that was my unboxing comparison. I'll be putting more videos and I will be doing their comparison and I will get back to you guys. Alright guys, take care.